It's alive! It's alive! So anyway, finally wrestled that starter back up in there. Big pain in the ass. And actually just checking to make sure that thermostat and everything's working, and we got oil pressure and all that kind of stuff now. And yes, it's in reverse at the moment. So parking brake is set. I'm trying to warm it up. Here, but look at this. Look at that. That pretty. Oh, that awesome blue. I love that blue. But anyway, it is alive. And eventually I'm going to make a video about why this starter failed. Okay, 9 times out of 10 there's a copper washer in here, and this copper stud, 9 times out of 10 that copper stud burns up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a video about the roadside emergency repair you can make on that starter. So anyway, oh, oil pressure. Let's check oil pressure. Oops. 20 pounds at idle. Fine for an old Chevy, small block, especially with 459,812. Here, can y'all see that? 459,812 miles. 46,000 miles. That bolt right there, that bolt, and there's another one back there. I've never had the valve covers off of this engine. So anyway, hope everybody's well. Talk to y'all later.